channel. It's Martha, and today I'm going to do a wash day routine for my hair. I wash my hair once a week and there's a lot of steps that I go through, so I'm going to show you basically all the steps and all the products that I use. Later I've done a bit of like a walkthrough of it, like showing me using everything, like actually washing it, because I literally just washed it just now, so it's freshly washed and straightened. And I've got all the products here that I use, so I'm just gonna take you through all the products that I use first, and then once that's finished then you'll see me actually do it. So there is a lot of products here. Just looking at them all laid out, it's a bit ridiculous, but let's get started. First of all, obviously I use shampoo, and I use this one, but this is the Hask Argan Oil from Morocco, strengthens and restores repairing shampoo. And this is just like any old shampoo really. I just got it from a supermarket, it wasn't expensive. I think just if you have relaxed hair like me, the best thing to do is just make sure the shampoo is a repairing shampoo or a nourishing shampoo or a shampoo for like dry damaged hair, then anyone really will do the job. And also one that's not too harsh as well. So if it says it's gentle, that's a good thing. And then I use this in the shower. It's basically a protein conditioner. So it's from High Pro Pack, and it's called Extremely Damaged Hair Repair Intense Protein Treatment. So it says what it does on here. Concentrated proteins fortify hair, helps prevent split ends and breakage, exceptional conditioning. So it's just like a 2 to 5 minute conditioner, just like any normal conditioner, but it's just like really intense for if you have really damaged hair. And it smells like really good as well. It's like amazing. Like it smells like bananas, or like, you know those foam bananas, like the penny sweet ones, it smells like those. So what I use for the deep conditioning is I sometimes use, so I've got two and I alternate each week between which one I use. So one week I'll use this one, and it's the Hairfinity Strengthening Amino Mask, and then the next week I'll use this one, and this is just a Garnier Ultra Doux Intense Mask, Extreme Nutrition, and that one's just really cheap and this one's a bit more expensive. So yeah, so what I do is I'll mix one of those with a bit of aloe vera gel, and that's just like normal, that's the brand, but it's, you can use any aloe vera gel. I just got this from the supermarket, and you mix a bit of that in, and then just a bit of coconut oil, so just like virgin coconut oil, and then you put a bit of each one, like the mask, the coconut oil and the aloe vera gel, in your hand, and just mix it together and then put it over your hair. And then the next thing I do is use this, and this is DNA leave-in conditioner and detangler. I just got this from my hairdresser. She recommended it, so it's basically just for detangling really, because I use another leave-in conditioner. So just when it's rinsed out of the deep conditioner, I just use this to comb through my hair to get rid of the tangles, and it smells really good too, and it's always good if a hair product smells really good. And then after that I will then use my second leave-in conditioner. I know it's ridiculous, right? But yeah, this is literally how many products I use. And again, I use like one of two, so I either use this one, and it's the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint and keratin. And that is really good, smells really nice as well. And the other week I'll use this one, which is Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. So you just put them through your wet hair and comb it through, make sure all the strands are covered. Don't use too much of this, don't use as much as the mask, just enough to like cover the strands, and then leave that on, because it's going to be left on your hair, so you don't want to like soak your hair in it, because then it's going to stay on your hair. Once it's 80% dry, I will then dry the rest with a hairdryer, the last 20%. Before I dry it, I will use this, and this is just a heat protectant hair serum, and it smells really good. Again, it's really cheap, it's just from the supermarket. It's called Amla Hair Serum Snake Oil Heat Protect. So this just goes on your hair before you use any kind of heat. So I put quite a lot of this on because it doesn't weigh your hair down at all, so it's really good, and you want to know that your hair is properly protected. Then there's another step. Oh yeah, then I straighten my hair again using this. So I use this twice, before I blow dry it, and then I put it on again before I straighten it, because it's really important to heat protect your hair. I'm still not finished. Well, I'm finished up to the point that I'm at now. So this is the result of all that. So the last thing, on like a day-to-day basis, actually not every day, maybe like once every other day, I will moisturize my hair. I find if I do it every day, it gets weighed down, so by the end of the week, my hair's like really flat and greasy and full of product. So probably every other day I'll use a moisturiser on my hair to keep it from getting too frizzy and dry. So at the moment I'm using this one, and it's just the Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturiser, and that does the job. I can't really say anything good or anything bad about this. It's just what it is. It keeps my hair kind of moisturised. You can also use this one. That is the leave-in conditioner that I use, but you can also use, it says on the back, as a apply daily to split ends or damaged areas, comb through and let dry naturally. So that is all the products I use on my hair. If you're interested to see how I use all these products on my hair and watch me go through my wash day routine, then keep watching. So this is my hair before it's washed. I'm just about to jump in the shower and shampoo it. So this is the hair after washing, and I forgot to say I also used some of this, and it's basically a really intense conditioner. And then now I'm going to deep condition my hair. And that's all three mixed together on my hand. So I used a bit of the aloe vera gel, a bit of coconut oil, and today I used the Hairfinity Amino mask. And I'm going to put that on my hair now. So now the mask is on my hair, and it's combed through, and I'm going to leave that for about 45 minutes to an hour. But while it's on, I want to intensify it, and I don't have a plastic cap, so I've been using this method for years, and I just use good old cling film. So that is going to just keep my hair hot, because it's going to use the heat that comes out of my head to intensify the treatment. So very fashionable. I just hope the door doesn't ring. But yeah, I'm going to stay like this for about 45 minutes to an hour. What's that? What's that? Don't know what that is. So, it's been on about 45 minutes. Actually, I think it's probably been on an hour now. So I'm taking it off. And it's all really kind of soaked in. You can feel like it's soaked in and warm and conditioned, really. So now I'm going to go and rinse it out. rinsed out my hair. Just towel dried it. Just towel dried. Now I'm going to comb it through and detangle it with this. Now, I've combed that through with the leave-in detangler conditioner. Now I'm going to use one of my leave-in conditioners. This one's Shea Moisture Strengthen, Grow and Restore Leave-in Conditioner. Does what it says on the tin, really. You silly cat. My cat just fell in the bath. That's what you get, hun, when you play around the bath. You fall in. Isn't it? Isn't it, hun? Yes, it is. Little Luna. So now my hair's really soft, and I'm going to air dry it until it's about 80% dry. And then the last 20% I am going to finish off with the blow dryer. So now my hair's 80% dry, so it's kind of, you can see it's like wet on the top and just all frizzy and fluffy on the bottom. So now I'm going to put some heat protectant in it, and then I'm going to blow dry it. So I'll show you the heat protectant that I use. So it's this one. So it's just in a bottle like that, it's like a serum. So I'm going to put that on my hair and then blow dry it. So that is my hair dry, blow dried. I'm also going to straighten it just on the lowest possible heat setting. I'm going to use a bit more of that serum, and then I'm going to straighten it. that's it, basically. So that's all straightened. It's all wavy and bouncy and it's super soft. Feels really healthy, a lot healthier than it has done. So yeah, it's really, really soft. Like for relaxed hair, it feels really, really nice. So thanks a lot for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.